3, 2, 1. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Hey, welcome to the channel, the Space Nomad Photography channel. My name's Sean. I am fixing to head out on a very long trip for about 2 weeks. You're coming with me if you want, you don't have to. I just stopped at Katz's to get something to eat, and now I'm going to eat it, and then we're going to get on the road, and we're headed to Mansfield, Texas tonight, and we're going to stay there for the evening, and you're coming along for the ride, so let's go. And just like that, we've made it to Mansfield, Texas. I'm at the Comfort Inn and Suites. It's not a bad hotel. I mean, there's a little wear and tear, but overall it's better than sleeping in the back of my car. $97.12. It's got a really huge refrigerator, and it's got a coffee pot, so if I wanted to make coffee in the morning I could. And a lot of charging areas, so I'm definitely going to use those tonight. But I'm going to rest, and then I'm going to take you guys with me to go eat at Branded Burger, unless I see something else that I want to eat at. But that's probably where we're going, so I'll see you in a few. And we've had our first hiccup. So Branded Burger is not open. There's nothing on their website saying they're not open. I tried to order online just to see what they had to make sure I wanted to eat there, and it let me get all the way to the payment process. But they're boarded up tight. It says they're open Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. No, they're not. So we're gonna go somewhere else and eat. I have no idea where. Maybe back at the hotel. Who knows? Or maybe I'll just eat candy all night like a 5-year-old on a road trip. We're gonna eat somewhere. Just, is it gonna be good for me or just sugar? I'll let you know.
A few moments later.
So this is what we're dealing with. I went to go get dinner at what they say is one of the best burger joints in Mansfield. You will love it. Well, they were closed. They said they were open Wednesday through Sunday. That's a lie. They're not open today. So I didn't want to drive around forever and find a place, so I went to the next closest place to the hotel. I'm still eating a burger. But this is what I'm dealing with. That's right. A baby hamburger, a baby fries, and a big freaking Dr. Pepper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to eat that. I'm going to eat some Raisinets and some Doritos like a 5-year-old and watch some football on the TV, and then pass out and get up and actually start the vacation tomorrow. We're just going to call this a travel day. Tomorrow the vacation starts in earnest. So, with that being said, have a great night. I will see you tomorrow in Tucumcari, New Mexico. That's where we're headed. Tucumcari, however, potato. But we've got cool things planned for tomorrow. Photography will ensue, and I know the place we're eating tomorrow for lunch isn't closed. And it's going to be a lot of fun. So I will see you tomorrow. To my family, I love you. Bye. To my friends, be safe, and I love you all too. Now go. I'm tired. I want to eat my cold hamburger. No, really. Go. Bye. Ryder, bye. I'm trying to eat, bud. Talk to you later. Bye. See you guys tomorrow.